Good morning, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to begin with the ordinal number. Again, the same chapter 1, ordinal number. Okay, as you have already learned numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But when something is been placed in order, or when, like, let us see with the example. Wait, orally I don't want to say. The ordinal number shows the first of all, try to understand what is ordinal number. Or ordinal, from ordinal we get the word order. Order means it tells the order of the person or the order of the things being kept over there. Let us see how. Now, as I told you that ordinal number tells us the position, the order of the position of the position of an object, not only object, a position of a person or object. Now, as you see, this is a jungle sports fest. Okay, they are having a competition. Everybody is standing in a line for the racing. Can you see here? They are standing in line for the racing. On your mark, get set, go. Here they started running. Can you see the animals running here? Yes. Okay, here the animals are running. See, the giraffe, the bear, okay, the deer, elephant, the tiger, the lion. Okay, the next what happened? Yes, the race is over. So how many animals participated in the run? There were total 10 of them. The 10 animals were there, and now see they are standing. Now there is a position has been given over there. Can you see who was the first one? The first one is the lion. The second one is the deer. The third is a zebra. The fourth is a monkey. The fifth is a fox. The sixth is a elephant. Seventh is a teddy bear. The eighth is a hippo. And number 9 is a giraffe. And the last one, 10th one, is again the elephant. Oh, okay, that is the sixth one is a rhino. Sorry, that is a rhino. And the 10th one is the elephant. So who made it to the 10th position? It is the elephant. Who made it? Elephant. So ELEPHANT. Elephant made the first position. Sorry, the last position. That is a 10th position. Now let us study now what is it. Ordinal number. When I say only simply number, that is called as a cardinal number. जो आप बोलते हो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is called as a cardinal number. See, the spelling is written over here. Wait, here the first column, can you see CARDINAL, cardinal number, where 1, 2, 3, 4 is written. Okay, ordinal number means which tell us the position. Okay, now पे अटेंशन, दिस वन इज इन ऑर्डिनल नंबर में. इसको कैसे लिखेंगे आप? 1 NSTY. Look here, when we say first, second, third, when you when the racing is done, the person who comes, जो पहले आता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, he came first, I came second, then Amol came third, teacher he came fourth, like this you say na. When you are having a game period and you come back to the class, you came running, oh, I came first, I'm second. Do you remember? You already know the ordinal number. You are using it in your day-to-day life in a colloquial language when you are in the school, or whatever, like some activity, or maybe some you want to say something. Yes, mama, first up mujhe pehle mama, sometimes she says first you do this, then you do that, then second do that. That is an order of the number. Now suppose if there's a party at your home, then you make a list, है ना. पहले क्या करेंगे, then first what we will do, then secondly we will play the game, then third we'll have a music, we'll have a dance, then fourth we'll have a dinner. So that is the position, the sequence of what will be taking place. Okay, so one we will write as first, FIRST first. फिर लास्ट 2 लेटर देखो ST में एंड होता है, इसलिए फर्स्ट जब हम फर्स्ट लिखते हैं नंबर में तो वी राइट ST. 2, that is a second, the last 2 letter, that is ND, that is why we write 2 and then ND, that is written as second. 3, that is third. In third spelling you will see the last 2 letter is RD. Can you see RD? That is why we write 3 and RD. So first, second and third. 1 ST, 2 ND, 3RD. वाई? बिकॉज उनके स्पेलिंग में जो लास्ट 2 लेटर है उसके हिसाब से हमको लिखना पड़ता है. फर्स्ट FIRST, that ST we write with 1, it becomes first. 2, the second spelling SECOND, the last 2 letter is ND. When we write 2ND, it becomes second in number. Spelling में SECOND. Then ordinal number third, spelling is THIRD, the last 2 letter is RD, that is why we write 3RD. So that is in number. Then now 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. These are all easy because they are ending in TH. So that is why after the number we write TH. This is FOUR TH 4. This is all TH. 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 Here also TH. All the letters TH. So that is why 4 TH, 5 TH, 6 TH, 7 TH, 8 TH, 9 TH. And sound, as per the sound we say. So 4th. The TH means th. TH means th. So 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Got it? Again I am telling you. The first one. First. ST is t. That is why first one and ST. First. ND. Nerd. Second. Okay. Third. RD. Rd. Third. Okay. Then 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. You have to learn all these in number and in spelling also, beta. Okay? Next, now see, as you can see here, see the common mistake which you usually make in 4th and 9th. आप ये ध्यान देना. Okay. When we write 4th, you don't have to write 4 and third. ये 4th हो गया. 4th. FOR 4 and TH था. 4th हो गया. 4th means spelling of 4 and then TH. ये हो गया 4th. Then 9th, wrong. In 9th we don't write E, we only write NINTH and we say ninth. Ninth. What do we say? Ninth. Okay? Chalo. Now see here. People are standing in queue. Okay? And as you can see, wait, let me take the pen. See here, the first one, ST, 1 and ST. Here, ND, SUCND, 2 ND. Third, 3 RD. Fourth, 4 TH. Fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, now let us solve the. In this picture, the person on the topmost step is the first in the line and the person on the bottommost step is 10th in the line, the last one. When I say bottom means the last one. Okay? Yes. Now it's an exercise of your book. Okay? It is an exercise from the book. Exercise 1F. Exercise 1F. I'll tell you the page number. Wait, children. I'll tell you the page number. It is a page number. It is a page number. Yes, first F, page number 21. Page number 21. Page number 21, exercise 1F. Very interesting one. You will love to do it. Here he is saying that you draw the 10 beads. Draw 10 beads on the ring. Let us draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll draw again. I need to draw it again more smaller than this so that I can get the 10 beads here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this you draw and now follow the instruction. What is saying? First bead blue color. Either you can start from the top or you can start from this side from down also, no problem. Suppose if the first one, if you're taking this as a first one, so first में आप ये blue करेंगे, third one as green. So first, second, third. The third one, this is a third one. Third one you have to do the green color. The fifth one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth one you will color orange. Then sixth, seventh one this one, seventh one, this you color as red, and then the ninth one, of course this is a second last one, this ninth one you color as yellow. And when you're drawing the beads also ना, तो beads के ऊपर जब आप beads draw करेंगे तो उसके ऊपर में ऐसा लिखना है आपको, first, second, third, write the ordinal number on the beads so that it will be easy for you to hunt that bead and you can color it accordingly. ठीक है, आफ्टर ड्राइंग द बीड्स के ऊपर में आप छोटा छोटा लिखना, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, लाइक दिस टिल नाइन्थ यू राइट. ठीक है, लेट अस डू द नेक्स्ट वन. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू मैच. Let us match. This is also very interesting. Now who is in the third place? Third. See, the total number of children are 10. We have to match with the position. Here third number, second number, first number, ninth number, seventh number, then sixth, here she is, here, 10th, the last one, 8th is here, 4th is here, and 5th. Done. This matching you have to do. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. You have to learn the spelling in spellings also and in numbers also. ठीक है? Which one we have done that? I'll tell you, that was a page number. Just now what we did, 1 minute. Just now what this one, number 2, this is from the page number 22. Page, 1 minute, let me take the pen. This is page 22 exercise of your book. Please do it. Okay. Then this again same page 22. This is a third one. Number 3. The picture is not given, but I have given the picture here. Let us find out. I live on the third floor. I cannot take the pen, first I'll read. I live on the third floor of the building with 10 floors. How many floors are below me? How many floors are above me? He says that there are total 10 floors. He is saying the total 10 floor है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 floor. And he says that I live in third floor. He lives in third floor. I live in third floor. You are saying that I live in a third floor. He is saying that मैं third floor में हूँ. How many floors are there above me and how many floors are there below me? ठीक है? Okay. How many floors are above me and how many floors are below me? First we'll find out how many floors are below me. पहले नीचे वाला find out करो. So here I am coloring this. Third floor, we are living in the third floor. Suppose you are living in the third floor. How many is below? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many below? How many floors are below me? How many? 7. 7 floors are below me. Next, how many floors are above me? How many? Only 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 floors are above me. Okay? ठीक है? So you write as number 1 and number 2 and 1 neatly लिखना बेटा. There you don't have the place. In the book you have a place. You can draw the line and you can write over there. Okay? Now, here he says that it is a school timetable and here timetable is given to you. Okay? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 periods are there. And first period EVS, PT, Maths, ELD, Art, Hindi, English, Music and EVS. The question says that it is not, yes, we are doing question number 4. Question number 4. We have made the timetable. It is not given in the book. And you can write the fill in the blanks in the book. A, B, C, D is given. So with the help of this timetable only, you have to write there. Okay. Now look at the class timetable to fill in the blanks. This is a timetable here. This is a timetable. Okay. Now A. The first period today is, suppose for example today is Monday for example. Which is the first period? It's a EVS. So we will write EVS. This is first. Wait, we'll write the ordinal number. Okay, chalo, we will write 1 minute. First, second, third, fourth, 5 and TH, 6 TH, 7 TH, 8th TH, 9th TH. So first period EVS. Then B1, maths is in the dash period. Maths, let us see where is maths. Yes, this is the maths. Which period? Third. So we will write third period. Next, the sixth period today is, where is the sixth one? Here it is. Hindi. Now he is asking the subject now. Which sixth period today is which subject? That is Hindi. Just you have to see the timetable and you have to write the answer. Next, English is in the dash period. English is in the dash period. Where is English? English, where is it? Yes, here it is. That is 7th. Simply you have to refer to the timetable and we have written this. Very easy. First period is EVS. Here it is. So first is EVS. Maths is in the dash period. Look where MATH maths is written. Now we have written T3 and RD. That is the third place. So we have written third. The sixth period today is sixth period. You see that is Hindi. So we'll write Hindi. HINDI. That is D. And English which period? Now your subject is given. He is asking which period. So that is 7th period. Okay. So this is the ordinal number. And one more interesting activity now. Which is my favorite animal? Cross out as you read the clues. We have to cross out as we keep on reading. These are the clues. These are the clues. Okay, first one. My favorite animal is next to dog. Which is a favorite animal? Next to dog means this one and this one. Okay. It is not the third one. So from here it is third. So elephant is not there. Not the third one. Okay, यहाँ से भी third आ रहा है. First, second, third. First, second, third. So we have crossed out. This is also over. This is also over. It does not say meow. The first one is cat. Meow नहीं बोल रहा है तो we will cross out this. अब ये भी नहीं है, meow भी नहीं है. Then my favorite animal is, the only left next to the dog is the only monkey. So MONKEY. Okay, beta. That's all. That is the last question of this slide. Oh, there's one more. Sorry. Question 7. Fill in the boxes to find the name of a juicy fruit. After following these instructions which is given here, this is on the page number 23. Page 23, 7th question. Page 23. Fill in the boxes to find the name of a juicy fruit. And these are the instructions. First we will see. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes are there. Okay, so we'll write here first, second, third, fourth, ordinal number, fifth, you also write, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10. Total 10. Okay, let us begin. First will number 1, E. E, 4th and 7th box. Means we have to write letter E in the 4th and the 7th box. Which is the 4th one here. And the 7th, that is why I told you to write the ordinal number. Or you also write below the box. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. So it will go fast. Next, A, second box. Write A in the second box. Here it is. Then L in the 8th box. Where is 8? Yes, L. W in the first box. So let us write W in the first box. M, 6th box. So M. N, 10th box. So write N in the 10th one. R in the 5th box. So we will write R here. T, 3rd box. So we will write T. And O in the 9th one. So what you are getting? Watermelon. A juicy fruit. Right? This is a various activity as per the topic is ordinal number. I hope you must have understood the ordinal number, children. And please do, if you have not understood once, at least you listen 2 to 3 times, you will be able to understand. And likewise, you complete your exercise in the book. Okay? Thank you. God bless you.